Sensory symphony sounds and smells of Taipei's awakening. Taipei wakes up hungry. Before the neon signs flicker off, before the roar of scooters takes over, the city stretches, yawns, and reaches for breakfast. The air, still cool with the memory of night, hums with a different energy. It's the anticipation of food, the promise of a delicious start to a new day. Walk down any street in Taipei as dawn breaks, and you're met with a symphony of sounds. Metal shutters clang open, revealing steaming vats and sizzling woks. The rhythmic chopping of cleavers on wooden boards provides a steady beat. Hawkers call out, their voices hoarse but friendly, advertising their specialties with practiced ease. And then there are the smells, sweet, savory, spicy. They rise from street stalls and small shops, weaving their way through the maze of alleys and boulevards. The aroma of freshly steamed buns mingles with the earthy scent of scallion pancakes. And above it all, a comforting, familiar fragrance, soy milk, warm and nutty, a siren song for the hungry soul. A culinary ballet, the dance of breakfast in Taipei's streets. Picture this. A seasoned vendor, movements honed by years of practice, effortlessly maneuvers between steaming baskets and bubbling oil. With a flick of the wrist, dough stretches and twists, transforming into long, golden batons. These are the legendary youtiao, better known to some as Chinese crullers or fried breadsticks. They hit the hot oil with a satisfying sizzle, puffing up into airy, golden delights. Across the stall, another dance unfolds. Soybeans soaked overnight and ground to a milky white liquid simmer gently in a large pot. It's a delicate process requiring a watchful eye and a skilled hand to achieve the perfect balance of flavor and texture. This is no ordinary soy milk, this is liquid gold, the perfect companion to the crispy youtiao. Beyond sustenance, the soul of Taipei in every bite. There's a certain magic in witnessing the city awaken over a steaming bowl of soy milk and a plate of crispy youtiao. It's a moment of quiet connection, a shared experience that transcends language and culture. In these simple flavors, one can taste the essence of Taipei, its energy, its warmth, and its unwavering love for good food. The youtiao, with its crispy exterior and soft, airy interior, is a study in contrasts, much like the city itself. The soy milk, smooth and comforting, provides a sense of balance and harmony. Together they create a breakfast symphony that is both satisfying and deeply comforting. A history simmered and fried centuries in the making. Now every good dish has a story, a history simmering beneath the surface. And these seemingly simple breakfast staples, they've got tales to tell that stretch back centuries, intertwined with the very fabric of Chinese culture. The youtiao, those golden sticks of fried dough, they're not just a culinary delight, they're a symbol, a story woven into the very fabric of Chinese history. Legend has it, their origin dates back to the Song dynasty, a tale fueled by rebellion and righteous anger. The story goes that a corrupt official, a man named Qin Hui, betrayed and orchestrated the downfall of a beloved national hero, Yue Fei. The people, outraged by this injustice, took their anger out in the kitchen, shaping dough into representations of Qin Hui and his wife, frying them in oil as a symbolic act of revenge. From humble beginnings to beloved staple, the evolution of a breakfast tradition. In those early days, imagine soy milk consumed not from porcelain bowls but rough-hewn clay cups. The youtiao, perhaps less uniform, more rustic in appearance, yet still offering that satisfying crunch. This was sustenance for farmers, for laborers, a quick, affordable energy boost to fuel their day. But over time, this humble breakfast spread its wings, taking flight beyond the fields and workshops. Street vendors, recognizing a good thing when they saw it, adopted these simple yet satisfying dishes. The aroma of frying dough and simmering soy milk became synonymous with the bustling streets of Taipei, a sensory beacon in the early morning fog. More than just dough and beans, symbolism and superstition on the breakfast table, the youtiao, beyond its rebellious origins, took on new layers of meaning. Its long, slender shape became associated with longevity, a symbol of a life stretching out before you, full of promise and possibility. In some regions, youtiao is even incorporated into wedding ceremonies, representing the hope for a long and prosperous life together for the newly married couple. And then there's the soy milk. its milky white color representing purity and good fortune in Chinese culture. It's considered a drink that promotes harmony and balance, believed to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits. Some believe that starting the day with a warm bowl of soy milk brings clarity of mind and a sense of peace. Woven into the fabric of life, youtiao and soy milk from dawn till dusk. Walk the streets of Taipei, and you'll find that the love affair with youtiao and soy milk extends far beyond the breakfast table. It's a constant presence throughout the day, a comforting companion from dawn till dusk. Stroll through a morning market, and you'll see office workers grabbing a quick bite on their way to work. The aroma of frying dough follows, a siren call to those seeking a moment of comfort amidst the daily grind. Peek inside a traditional tea house and you might find groups of friends enjoying afternoon tea, dunking their youtiao into steaming cups of oolong or jasmine tea. The crispy dough soaks up the fragrant liquid, creating a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. It's a testament to the versatility of these simple ingredients, their ability to seamlessly transition from one meal to the next. Beyond the breakfast bowl, culinary versatility and creative adaptations. While the classic pairing of youtiao and soy milk holds a special place in the hearts of Taipei residents, it's also remarkable for its adaptability. This humble duo has inspired countless culinary variations, each showcasing the creativity and ingenuity of Taiwanese cooks. One popular twist is the fan tuan, a savory breakfast burrito where a thin, crepe-like egg wrap encases a crispy youtiao, sticky rice, pickled vegetables, and often a protein like pork floss or sausage. The combination of textures and flavors is a symphony in your mouth, a testament to the brilliance of Taiwanese street food. A comfort in constant change, Taipei's enduring love affair with tradition. In a city that's constantly evolving, a whirlwind of technological advancements and modern trends, the enduring popularity of youtiao and soy milk speaks volumes. It's a testament to the power of food to connect us to our roots, to offer comfort and familiarity amidst the relentless pace of change. Walking into a small, family-run breakfast shop, the air thick with the aroma of frying dough and simmering soy milk is like stepping back in time. The clatter of dishes, the friendly banter between vendors and regulars, the sense of community that permeates these spaces. It's a reminder of a simpler time, a time when life moved at a slower pace. The alchemy of simplicity, crafting the perfect youtiao. Don't let the humble appearance fool you. Crafting the perfect youtiao is a culinary art, a delicate dance of precision and intuition passed down through generations of skilled vendors. It's a process that begins with the simplest of ingredients: flour, water, salt, and a touch of yeast, the building blocks of 1,000 crispy bites. The magic starts with the dough. It's not about brute force, but a gentle touch. Experienced hands knead with a rhythmic grace, coaxing the dough into a smooth, elastic consistency. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Too wet, and the youtiao will be dense and greasy. Too dry, and they'll be tough and unforgiving. Section 2. Secrets from Taipei's Soy Masters, the art of creamy perfection. While the youtiao steals the show with its dramatic transformation, the soy milk is the unsung hero of this breakfast duo. It's a testament to the power of simplicity, a blank canvas for 1,000 subtle variations. The process, while seemingly straightforward, is a labor of love, demanding patience and a keen palate. It all begins with the soybeans, carefully selected and soaked overnight to unlock their creamy potential. They're then ground with water, transforming into a milky white liquid. This is where the true craftsmanship comes into play. The soy milk is carefully simmered over low heat, the temperature meticulously controlled to avoid scorching. Section 3. A symphony of flavors. Beyond the basic bite, customization is king. The beauty of Taipei's youtiao and soy milk tradition lies not just in its history or technique, but in its endless adaptability. This is a breakfast built for personalization, a symphony of flavors waiting to be conducted by your own taste buds. The soy milk itself offers a world of possibilities. Some prefer it hot, a comforting hug on a chilly morning. Others opt for it chilled, a refreshing start to a sweltering summer day. And then there are the flavor variations. Black sesame seeds, ground to a paste, lend a nutty aroma and a touch of bitterness. Sweet red beans, simmered until tender, transform the soy milk into a dessert-like treat. Section 4. From street stalls to your kitchen, recreating the magic at home. While nothing can truly replicate the experience of enjoying youtiao and soy milk from a bustling Taipei street stall, surrounded by the sights, sounds, and smells of the city awakening, it's surprisingly easy to recreate a taste of this beloved breakfast tradition in your own kitchen. Homemade soy milk, while requiring a bit of time and effort, is a revelation. The aroma of simmering soybeans filling your kitchen is a sensory reward in itself, and the taste? Fresh, vibrant, and infinitely customizable to your liking. Invest in a soy milk maker or try your hand at the traditional method using a blender and cheesecloth. Remember that quiet little secret tucked away in the bustling streets of Taipei? Yeah, the youtiao and soy milk combo. It's not so quiet anymore. It seems the world has developed a serious craving for this simple yet satisfying Taiwanese breakfast. From the food stalls of Bangkok to the trendy cafes of London, youtiao and soy milk are popping up everywhere. Walk down a street in Melbourne and you might just stumble upon a dedicated youtiao house serving up gourmet variations of this classic duo. It seems the world has finally caught on to what the people of Taipei have known all along. This is breakfast, but elevated. While the classic pairing of youtiao and soy milk will always hold a special place in our hearts and stomachs, there's something undeniably exciting about seeing how this humble duo is being reimagined by chefs and food enthusiasts around the world. Think youtiao, French toast, dusted with cinnamon sugar and drizzled with maple syrup. Or how about youtiao croutons, adding a delightful crunch to salads and soups? The possibilities are endless, limited only by imagination. Section 3. The Instagram effect. Taipei's breakfast staple finds a new audience. Now let's be honest, the world of food trends moves at lightning speed these days, fueled by social media and our insatiable appetite for the next big thing. But there's something different about the rise of youtiao and soy milk. This isn't just another fleeting fad, it's a cultural phenomenon, and Instagram has become its global stage. Scroll through your feed, and you'll find a visual feast of youtiao and soy milk captured in all their golden brown glory. There are the classic shots of street vendors expertly frying dough and ladling out steaming bowls of soy milk. But there's also a new wave of content, showcasing the creativity and diversity of this breakfast staple. Section 4. Preserving the past, embracing the future. The next generation of youtiao and soy milk. It's heartening to see this new generation of food entrepreneurs, chefs, and enthusiasts, both in Taipei and around the world, embracing the legacy of youtiao and soy milk while also injecting their own creativity and passion into this time-honored tradition. They understand that preserving culinary heritage isn't about clinging to the past, but about finding ways to make it relevant and appealing to a modern audience. In Taipei, you'll find traditional youtiao and soy milk stalls, often run by families for generations, standing shoulder to shoulder with trendy cafes offering their own innovative takes on this classic duo. It's a beautiful juxtaposition of old and new, a testament to the city's ability to honor its roots while embracing the future. Section 1. More than a meal, a shared heritage, a taste of home. There's a reason why certain foods transcend mere sustenance. They become woven into the fabric of a place, a culture, a people. In Taipei, that dish, that taste, that feeling is embodied in the simple yet profound pairing of youtiao and soy milk. It's more than just breakfast, it's a ritual, a shared experience that speaks to the heart of what it means to be Taiwanese. Remember those bustling mornings we talked about, the symphony of sounds, the intoxicating aromas? Now imagine yourself, not as an observer but as a participant. You're jostling elbows with locals at a street stall, the steam from your bowl of soy milk warming your face. You take a bite of youtiao, the crispy crunch giving way to a soft, doughy interior, and in that moment you understand. Section 2. The legacy lives on in every bite, a promise of Taipei's soul. As Taipei continues to evolve, A vibrant metropolis navigating the complexities of the modern world, one thing remains constant: the enduring love affair with youtiao and soy milk. It's a testament to the power of food to connect generations, to preserve cultural identity, to offer a sense of continuity amidst the relentless pace of change. Walk the streets of Taipei, from the bustling night markets to the tranquil tea houses, and you'll find this iconic duo everywhere. It's a reminder that some traditions are simply too good to be forgotten, their flavors woven into the very DNA of the city. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.